Lights in the distance, the sky in two. We're still running straight back to you. Basement heroes, tiny brave, rolling the dice like we can be saved. Flashlight halos, midnight bikes, hearts beating loud in the out of sight. And there was a girl with a storm inside, learning friend like a lullaby. And I said, if you ever feel you might fall, I'll take you someday to 3 waterfalls. When the ceiling whispered and the streetlights blinked, when the world went cold and the shadows slipped, we didn't have much, but we had it all. Hands held tight and a far-off call. 3 waterfalls, hear them calling our names like a promised sunrise after the rain. 3 waterfalls, where the hurt lets go, where the wild turns gentle and the lost come home. And if the night comes back, if the dark still crawls, I'll find you, I'll bring you to 3 mother praying through a wire's hum, a sheriff standing when the fear would come, a brother swinging like thunder and steel, a friend who jokes just to make it feel real. We took our bruises, we held our ground, we learned that love is a battle sound. Every tear, every scar on our walls led us closer to 3 waterfalls. So turn the radio up, let the courage rise. We're not just surviving, we're rewriting time. If hope is a spark, we become the flame, and we'll meet the morning and call it our name. 3 waterfalls, hear them calling our names like a promised sunrise after the rain. 3 waterfalls, where the hurt lets go, where the wild turns gentle and the lost come home. And if the night comes back, if the dark still crawls, I'll find you, I'll bring you to 3 waterfalls. She climbs the mountain through a razor wind. Every step says try again. Not running now, she's choosing the light, turning her fear into a comet in flight. I'm still here, and the world goes quiet as the sky turns clear. Closer, closer. Feel the air change. The dream becomes real, the world rearranged. 3 waterfalls, take my hand, don't let go. We promise